So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to make your Facebook account completely private in 2021. But before I start, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And yeah, let's go. Let's show you how to make your Facebook account private. When you're on your Facebook profile here, just click here on your profile picture, right top side, and then open settings and privacy. Click on privacy shortcuts, and now click on review a few important privacy settings here. Now open who can see what you share, click on continue. And now, as I said, if you want to make your Facebook account completely private, just make all this only for me, like that, only for me, only for me, only for me. And now the only person who can see your date of birth and email address is only you. Yeah, and when you're done here, just click on next. Here only for me. Stories, actually for stories have something I didn't tell you about. Here, if you want to make your stories just to be private, actually you cannot do that, because if you want to just click on custom, and as you can see, change, you will just click on change, and I will try to explain you. Here you cannot make it only private because Facebook allows you only one person. The minimum is only one person who can see your stories, and that's it. I have only one friend and save. There's no option to make it private, your stories. Yeah, if you're done here, just click next, next again, and that's it. And now your profile, your Facebook profile is completely private. Only, yeah. And if I helped you out, make sure to give a like. And also, if you have some problems, as I said, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond. And see you in the next one. Bye.